In English, we would say, I love the girl. The Samoan word for word translation would be, I love to the girl. O te alofa I le tene. A lot of the native speakers that have English as a second language would probably say, I love to the girl. The reason why that is because in Samoan, there's a number of action words or verbs that send their action to a location. The love, alofa, is going to the girl. The girl is the location. This is different from me saying, na o kapungia fai kokoa, or I closed the door. Subject number one, I, use the action of close or kapungi to have an effect on the door. Whereas if I said, I love to the girl, o te alofa I le tene, I send my love to the girl, it might have an effect on her, it might not, I don't know, but she can do what she wants with it. But my love is being sent to the location of the girl. But in English, we just say, I love the girl. There's no distinction. So as you can see, the Samoan language differentiates between the type of effect one subject can have on another. Is it a direct effect, like to close something, or is it an effect that's going to be sent to a location? Behind me are some effects that function differently in Samoan than they do in English. I thank to you. I wait to you. I understand to you.